Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a mess kit, just one of the items from my collection, and this is a Swiss Army mess kit. As far as I'm aware, these are still in service, still used by the Swiss military. I could be completely wrong, but I have done some research and that appears to be the case. Now this mess kit is really well made. You'll see when you look at it. Alright, let's have a close look. Alright, here it is. It's a very simple design. Very lightweight compared to other mess kits. This one's pretty light, and of course it's aluminum. It's got some black heat resistant paint. It's got a nice bell on it, or a handle to hang it over a fire, whatever you want to do with it. Now the thing with this handle, it just goes all around the mess kit. It doesn't lock or anything, so it just goes all around, which I think that's better, you know, so you can manipulate the bell any way you want. I'll show you the first indicator of it being a Swiss mess kit. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I have it upside down, and it's a Sigg brand Swiss mess kit from 1966. You can see the 6.6, and it's in very good condition for being from 1966. The funny thing about this mess kit, I believe it has 2 different date codes or dates on it, and I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, so you have the handle, you have this ring or loop where you can run a leather belt. Not sure where it's at. Yeah, you just run the belt around and it locks it in place so it doesn't rattle, and you want to make sure you go all around and lock in the handle as well. And yeah, that's usually how you carry it. You just strap it to your, you know, utility belt, your web belt, whatever it is you have. So let's open it up. All right, here we have the lid, very lightweight. Here we have a spoon and a fork. Not sure what these are called. A spork. It's a vintage 1940s. It's a little bit crusty, but just needs a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of polishing. And this is a 3-piece mess kit. Here we have another bowl. Here's the main bucket or pot. You can see you have some marks, so you can measure your water. Yeah, you can see the marks inside. Alright, let me show you the other date code or date on this mess kit. And there we have the Swiss cross, obviously Sigg brand, and the bucket is actually from 1988. So someone, I don't know, mismatched them, or not sure what happened. But yeah, I'm completely okay with that. It just doesn't really bother me. Everything fits in well. There's no difference in the colors and the darkness of the blacks. So yeah, it makes no difference. You can see this aluminum's a little bit darker than this one. Yeah, as you can see, it's very nicely polished. What you would expect from a Swiss-made mess kit. Just you know, the highest quality you can think of. Right here we have a nice little bowl or cup, whatever you want to use it as. You know, you can hold it like this. When you're going through the chow line, you just hook it on here, and there you go. You just you know, you carry it like this. You go down the line and you fill up all your bowls with soup or whatever slop they're making. Yeah, very interesting design. I've seen it in the East German or West German mess kits, and I'll show you those in a future video. But we have another date code. Now here we have STN93. We have the Swiss cross, and I'm not even sure if this is a Sigg brand bowl or cup. This is 1966. The bucket is from 1988, and the cup is from 1993. So we have a mixed bag of items here, but I wish I could find a complete Swiss mess kit with, you know, all the matching dates, but I'm very happy with this. I have no complaints. This spoon, I actually got it from a 1944 Swiss mess kit, which is the same thing. It's just a green paint scheme, and I believe the handle is made out of steel, not aluminum. And like many European mess kits, you have this lip that goes all around, and just to use it as a lid, not having to cover the whole thing like that. So And yeah, this was the Swiss mess kit, not to be confused with the Swedish mess kit, which is right here. Different shape. We got an oval shape. This one's kind of like a kidney shape or a D shape. So yeah, don't get them confused. Yeah, that was it. That was the Swiss mess kit. If you find one like this, I highly recommend it. Definitely worth the buy. I spent about, I don't know, 20 bucks for this one, 25 maybe. But yeah, I expect to see it in future videos. I haven't really put it to use. I'm not really sure if the Swiss military makes a ration. I know the Swedish military does. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like, subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. And I have a ton of more mess kits we're gonna look at, so stay tuned for that. If that's your cup of tea, we'll expect more videos like this. As always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.